This is my new IYYI silicone baking mat. Let's get started. Check out the inches and centimeters around the perimeter of the mat. And there's also a beveled edge in order to catch spills. The edge is raised 5 millimeters. The middle of the mat has circles of different diameters in order to make circle-shaped bread. And again, there's inches and centimeters. Making cookies between 2 and 3 inches diameter? This mat is so helpful. This silicone baking mat has a very smooth surface to it, and that helps to ensure that the dough won't stick. My workspace has been nice and clean. Today I'm making 2 loaves of sourdough bread. I can use the circles in the middle of the mat in order to set the diameter for the bread. This silicone baking mat has you covered. Adding a little bit of flour to my dough. It's time for the final proofing. Let's wash the mat underneath the faucet, dry it off and store it. Either roll up the mat and store it in a cupboard, or fold it in half and hang it off the wall. All done. This bread looks and smells delicious. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is the IYYI silicone baking mat.